this lesson, we will learn about IAM policies. IAM policies are the foundation of permission management in AWS. They define what actions and identity, such as a user or a role, is allowed or denied on specific resources. In simple terms, a policy tells AWS this person or service can do these things on those resources under these conditions. Policies are written in JSON format and consist of one or more statements. Each statement includes an effect, which is whether the action is allowed or denied, an action, which is the specific AWS operation, for example, S3 list bucket, a resource, which is the target AWS resource, such as a specific S3 bucket, and finally, a condition, which is optional, a rule that narrows down the policy, for example, requiring MFA or a certain IP range. Let's create this sample IAM policy that allows read-only access to any S3 bucket, as we do not have any bucket created in our account yet. In the AWS console, let us first remove the permissions policy we added to the data team group. We will create our own custom policy and attach back. Go to the IAM dashboard and select Policies from the left side menu. Click Create Policy. Under Select a Service, search for S3. Ensure the policy effect is set to Allow. For Access Level List, select List Bucket. For Read, please select Get Object. Under Resources, select All since we do not have any buckets on the account yet. Click Next. Enter a policy name, for example, Data Team S3 Read Only, and an optional description, for example, Data Team S3 Access. Review and create policy. Well done! You've now created a reusable read-only policy that allows users or roles to list and retrieve objects from any S3 bucket while still preventing modifications or uploads. In the next lesson, we'll explore how these policies translate into permissions, giving identities access control over services and actions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.